Hello, in this video we are going to learn class 9 maths 2 ninth lesson surface area and volume. Next concept last concept is sphere. Okay, this is sphere. You can see that this is the sphere and this is the radius of sphere. Now what is this? This is hemisphere. Yes, this is what? Hemisphere. Hemisphere, hollow hemisphere. Hollow means there is nothing inside the sphere. Yes, hollow hemisphere. The best example of hollow hemisphere is a plastic ball. Yes, there is nothing inside it. And hemisphere means half of the sphere. Hemisphere means what? Half of the sphere. Now let's go through the formulas. Curved surface area of sphere. Total curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of hollow hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Surface area of hollow hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Total volume. Yes, and total surface area of solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Are you getting? Okay, these are the formula you have to learn. There is no other option. Okay, let's go through the practice set 9.3 question number 1. Practice set 9.3 question number 1. Find the surface areas and volume of sphere of the following radii. They have given 4 radii and you have 3 radii and you have to find out the surface area and volume of a sphere while taking pi is equal to 3.14. They have told us to take pi is equal to 3.14. How to solve? The first we have to apply the formula surface area of a sphere. Here surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Substituting the value of pi r, 4 into 3.14 into 4 square, which is equal to 4 into 3.14 is equal to 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Yes, 64 into 3.14. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 3s are 12. 0. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 3s are 18. 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 10. 0 carry 1 2, which is equal to 200.96 centimeter square. Are you getting? This is what? Curved surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Therefore, you have to write down the final answer. Surface area of sphere is equal to 200.96 centimeter square. Next, we have to find out volume of sphere having radius 4 centimeter. Just look at the formula. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r square, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 square. Sorry, it's 4 cube. Extremely sorry. It's 4 cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now this 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 64 into 3.14. You have to multiply it by 64 into 3.14. We got the answer 200.96 already. Yes. Next, again this answer we got at the previous 4 into 4 into 4 is 64 into 3.14 is 200.96. You have to multiply it by 4 again. 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 9 are 36 plus 2 is 38, carry 3, 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12. Answer is 1203.84. Now you have to divide this by 3, divided by 3. Sorry, here you have to write it down 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 0, 3 6s are 18, 2 3, 3 7s are 21, 2 8, 3 9s are 27, 3 6s are 3 4s are 12, 2. So here answer is 267.94 centimeter cube. Therefore, final answer, volume of sphere is equal to 267.94 centimeter cube. Are you getting how to calculate? Okay. Next, second question. Second question is r is equal to 9 centimeter. Solution. Here r is equal to 9 centimeter. What do you have to write? Directly you have to write down the formula. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 into 4. 81 into 4. 4 1s are 4. 8 4s are 32. Now 324 into 3.14. 324 into 3.14. 4 4s are 16, 6, carry 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 3s are 12, 0, 1 4s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 0 0. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 3s are 9, 6, 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 11 carry 1 is 10, 1 2, 1 2, 1017.36 centimeter square. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to 1017.36 centimeter square. Now we have to find out volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, which is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 cube. Yes, 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 into 9 into 9. 9 cube is 9 cube is 729 multiplied by 4. 4 9s are 36, carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 8 plus 3 11, carry 1, 4 7s are 28 plus 1 is 29, 2916 divided by 3. Oh sorry, you have to multiply first all. 2916 multiplied by 3.14. Yes, you have to do that first. Then you have to divide it by 3. 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 10, carry 1, 4 9s are 36 plus 1 is 37, carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 0 6 1 9 2, 3 6 are 18, 8 carry 1, 3 1s are 1, 1 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 6, 15 plus 1 is 16, 6, carry 1, 10, 11 plus 4 is 15, 5, carry 1, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, 9156.64. Now you have to going to divide it by 3. 9156.64 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 0 1. 3 zeros are 0 1 5. 3 5s are 15. 0 6. 3 2s are 6. 0 6. 3 2s are 6. 0 4. 3 1s are 3 1. What is answer? 3052.21. This calculation is very important. That's why in this video I am giving you the steps of calculations also. Okay, so please listen to the video very carefully. Volume of sphere is equal to 3052.21 centimeter cube. Next example. Third example is R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. In the solution, you have to write down the given data first. Next, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to put the values 4 into 3.14 into r is 3.5 bracket square, which is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 is 20.25. Oh, sorry. 12.25. 35 square is 1225 and put the point in between after 12, so it's 12.25. 12.25 into 4. 12.25 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 1s are 4, which is equal to 49. 49 into 3.14. 9 4s are 6, 36, carry 3. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2, carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28. 0, 4 4s are 16, 6, carry 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 3s are 12. 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, carry 1. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1. 153.86. Final answer is 153.86 centimeter square. Are you getting? Okay, next we have to find out the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. 4 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3.5 bracket cube. What is square? 12.25. Let's multiply 12.25 by 3.5. 12.25 multiplied by 3.5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, carry 1. 5 1s are 1 plus 5 1s are 5 plus 1. 0, 3 5s are 15, 5, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 1, 5, 7, 8, 6 6, 12, 2, carry 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 2 3, 42.875. 42.875. Next, 3.5 bracket cube is 42.875. Now you have to multiply it by 4. 42.875 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30, 0 carry 3, 4 8s are 32 plus 3 is 35 carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 carry 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17. So what is answer? 1 2 3 1 2 3 171.5. 171.5 into 3.14. 171.5 into 3.14. 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 5 1s are 4, sorry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 8, 4 7s are 28 carry 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 0 1 5 sorry 0 5 1 7 1. Next 2 zeros. 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 7s are 21 carry 2, 3 1s are 1, 1 plus 2 is 5 plus 0, 8 plus 9 is 17 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sec. So this is the answer, 538.570. Now next step is you have to divide it by 3. It's a little hectic, but there is no option. 538.570 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 3, 3 7s are 21, answer 2 8, 3 9s are 27, answer 1 5, 3 5s are 15, answer 0 7, 3 2s are 6, answer 1 0, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 179.52. This 3 it's not important to write it down. So 379.52 centimeter cube. Are you getting? Okay, next question, question number 2. If the radius of solid hemisphere is 5 cm, then find its curved surface area and total surface area, where pi is equal to 3.14. They have told us to use the value pi is equal to 3.14. Solution: radius of sphere is equal to r, which is equal to 5 cm is given. What they have told first? They have told to find out the curved surface area. Yes, so the formula of curved surface area of a square is 2 pi r square, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 5 square, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 25. 25 into 2 is 50. So 3.14 into 50. 3.14 into 50. 0. Yes, 5 4s are 0, 20, 0 carry 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 5 3s are 50. Answer is 157, which is equal to 157 square centimeter or centimeter square. You can write down centimeter square also or square centimeter also, both are same. Next, total surface area. Total surface area of sphere is equal to three pi r square. It's hemisphere. Yes, 3 pi r square, which is equal to 3 into 3.14 into 5 square, which is equal to 3 into 3.14 into 25. 25 into 3 is 75. So you can multiply directly by 3.14 into 75. 5 4s are 22, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 3s are 50. 0, 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 3s are 21, addition 0, 15 5 carry 1, 15 5 carry 1, 3 and 2, so 235.50 square centimeter. So this is the answer. Therefore, final answer, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 157 square centimeter, and total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 235.5 square centimeter. Are you getting? Okay, next, third example. If the surface area of sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. Here what is given? Surface area of a sphere is given 2826 centimeter square, and what they have told us to find its volume. But instead of having value of r, you cannot find the volume. Therefore, firstly you have to find the radius r first. So put the formula, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 2826 is equal to 4 into 3.14 is into r square. Let's move these two to this side of is equal to sign. 2826 divided by 4 divided by 3.14 is equal to r square. Therefore, 2826 divided by 4 divided by 314 upon 100. We removed the point. Here there is nothing but 1. 2826 into 1 upon 4, reciprocal of that fraction. Why? Because division of fraction is not happened. 100 upon 314. 4 1s are 420, 5s are 100. Now 4. If you multiply 314 into 9, yes, let's multiply 314 into 9. 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28. Yes, 2826. So 3 9s are 9 into 25. 25 9s is 225, which is equal to r square, 225. Now r square is equal to 225. Then what is r? Square root of 225, which is equal to 15 centimeter. We got the value of r is 15 centimeter. Now volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, 4 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 15 into 15 into 15. 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15 square is 225. 225 into 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 225 into 20. 0. It's 4,500. 4,500 into 3.14. 3.14 into 45. Let's do 3.14 into 45. 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 3s are 15, 0, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 1s are 1, 1 plus 1 is, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 3s are 12, 0, 13 3 carry 1, 11 carry 1, 1 4 1 3 0 0 0. So answer is 1413 0, which is equal to 1413 0, 14,100 cube, so 14,130 cube centimeter. What is the final answer? Just write down. I am writing over here only. Final answer is volume of sphere is equal to 14,130 cubic centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay, next. Find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter. Take pi is equal to 22/7. Here they have already given the volume of sphere 3808 centimeter, 38,808 centimeter cube. First we have to find r. First we have to find what? Radius. Then you can find out the surface area of sphere. So put the formula of volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 38,808 is equal to 4/3 into 22/7 into r cube. Let's move these two to this side. 38,808 divided by 4/3 divided by 22/7, which is equal to r cube. 38,808 division not take place in the fraction, therefore you have to do multiplication and take reciprocal of this. 3/4 into 7/20. Now let's check 38,808 divided by 22. Let's check if it is dividing. 22 ones are 22, 6 1 8. 22 6 is 132, 22 7 are 4, carry 1, 22 7 are 154, 8 minus 4, it's 12. Next take the 0. 22 5 are 110, 108. Here I have done the small mistake. 22 into 6 is 132. Here 8 and 22 4s are 88. So answer is 22 ones are 22. 22 into 1,764 is 38,808. Now 64, yes, you can divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4, 1,764 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 6, 4 4s are 16, 0, 4 1s are 4, which is equal to 441. Here if you see 441 into 3 into 7 is 21, which is equal to r cube. You can see that 441 is the square of 21. 21 square into 21 is equal to r cube. Therefore r cube is equal to 21 cube. Let's remove cube. R is equal to 21. We got the value of r. Now put this value of r in the surface area of sphere. What is surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Which is equal to 4 into 22/7 into 21 square, which is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21. 21 3s are 64. 64 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 carry 1. 4 6s are 24 plus 1 is 25. 256 into 22. 2 6 are 12 to carry 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 3632. Here this is wrong. Here become 252 because 21 3 is 63. Into 4 is 252 and into 22 252 into 22. 22 2s are 44. 22 5s are 112. 22 2s are 44. So 4455. Answer is 5544 square centimeter. So write down the final answer. Surface area of sphere is equal to 5544. I have done here the small mistake in calculation. Okay, next fifth example, last example of the exercise. Volume of hemisphere is 1800 pi centimeter cube. Then find its diameter. See the very easy example. Why they have not given the value of pi? Because this pi is get cancelled in formula which we are going to apply. So see, volume of hemisphere, just write down the given data. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 1800 pi cubic centimeter. What is the formula of volume of hemisphere? Is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So which is equal to 1800 pi is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. This pi move to this side, goes to denominator. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 if it moves to the another side of is equal to sign become divided by 2 upon 3. Therefore pi and pi get cancelled. 1800 into 3 upon 2 which is equal to r cube. 2 ones are 2. 900 is equal to 1800. 900 into 3 is 2700 is equal to r cube. 2700 is the cube of 30. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Therefore r is equal to 30 centimeter. But what they have told to find? Diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into r, which is equal to 2 into 30, which is equal to 60 centimeter. Are you getting? Okay, here the practice set 9.3 is complete. Also the 9th lesson is complete. Let's meet to the next video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends and tell your friends to subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you soon.